We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.